If you're encountering the Cloud Save Error 2025 in Minecraft, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you unlock your saved game data and get back to playing. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is necessary for accessing cloud saves. If your connection is weak or unstable, try resetting your router or switching to a different network. Step 2. Restart Minecraft. Close the Minecraft application completely and then reopen it. This can help refresh the game and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Make sure you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Check for updates in your game launcher or app store and install any available updates. Outdated version may lead to compatibility issues with cloud saves. Step 4. Verify game files. If you are using a game launcher like Minecraft Launcher or a platform like Steam, use the option to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help fix the error. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to Minecraft support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Cloud Save Error 2025 and continue enjoying your Minecraft experience. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the community or support channels.